Thank you for inviting me to this great Smart City seminar. My name is Kyoung Kim, and I work in Enterprise Service Unit of Korea Telecom. And now I'm a project manager of Siheung Smart City R&D project. The title of today's presentation is Data Hub Platform for Smart City Siheung. And today I will introduce project status and future plan of Siheung Smart City. Let me begin my presentation. Today, I introduce two parts. Part one is project overview, and part two is a data hub platform. At first, let's move to part one. Slide one is a project background. All over the world, smart city is a new approach for solving urbanization problem. And the fourth industrial revolution is also drawing big attention in Korea. New technology like AI, big data, cloud, IoT are core components of the fourth industrial revolution. Smart city was designated as one of the national leading projects in Korea some years ago. Finally, our Siheung project was launched 4 years ago based on this background. This slide, I will tell you project vision and goal. Vision like this: implementation of data-driven smart city innovation model for citizens, quality of life and sustainable growth. Goal like that. What is data-driven smart city? It's not easy to explain using one or two sentences. Maybe data-driven is same word, data using, data-based. Yeah. Developing smart city model and smart city service for citizens are key factor for success of smart city, and development of living lab is another key factor for sustainable smart city. This slide shows the project configuration. Our project consists of three sub-projects. There is core 1 and core 2 and core 3. As you know, core 3 is Siheung Smart City project. Sheung is a test bed for demonstration which is smart city service and data hub platform is developed and tested. Smart city service are air quality control, energy management, welfare, and other new business model. And these services are demonstrated in Jeongwang-dong area. And Siheung Smart City planned to use a living lab community for active project deliverables. Slide number 4 show project progress. Our project was started 4 years ago, and this year, solution will be modified and evolved. And next year, final R&D year, all R&D deliverables will be completed and opened. I will tell you project core 3 in detail. Core 3 project consists of 5 sub-tasks. Task 1 is environment, and its goal is to monitoring and analyzing of fine dust data. Task 2 is energy task, and it focuses on gathering and forecasting of energy consumption data in Siheung area. Task 3 is living lab and welfare, and it tries to care the elderly living alone and people with disabilities. Task 4 is data hub platform task, and its goal is to develop the data hub platform, data marketplace, and digital twin. Task 5 is a new business task, and it tries to find and demonstrate new smart city services for Siheung citizens. 5 task core 3 projects are demonstrated in Jeongwang-dong area of Daegu New Town. You can go and look around the service site of environment task if you want, but you cannot visit easily energy task site or living and welfare site because those are private sites. So I recommend you visit CityLab or Data Hub task since all the data will be collected to CityLab. Next, part 2 is Data Hub platform. In this slide, I want to show the characteristic of Siheung city. I think Siheung is a very charming and wonderful city. At first, Smart Hub is a very famous industrial complex in Korea. And second, Siheung is already smart city. That smart city platform and operation center was opened 5 years ago. And third, Seoul National University constructed the Siheung campus based on these potential. And next, Siheung is a unique waterfront space like Wave Park. And finally, Daegu New Town is a very young and dynamic space in Siheung City. This slide reminds hierarchy of total R&D program. As we reviewed part 1, Siheung project is core 3 and have 5 sub-tasks from environment to new business tasks. This slide shows goal of core 3 project. Today, I repeatedly emphasize data-driven, data-based smart city. In core 3 Siheung project, we try to get public data, Siheung smart city data, and private data using Data Hub platform. For this, various services are demonstrated in Jeongwang-dong area with living lab activities, from weather data to health data. And this kind of data will be gathered into Data Hub platform as data repository. That is a project goal and my important mission. Core 3 project consists of 5 sub-tasks. All tasks will generate service data using service sensor or IoT device, and those data will be collected in Data Hub task. Finally, I hope Siheung Smart City will be evolved into a data cluster city based on our project. At this slide, I will show the Data Hub architecture in terms of data movement. Theoretically, there will be lots of city data in Data Hub platform because Data Hub platform is a data-oriented repository. So we try to collect all kinds of data from open data, public data, city data, to private data. After gathering all kinds of data, Data Hub platform analyze, do machine learning, and visualize those data for data consumers. Or startup try to convert those data in Data Hub platform for his or her new business service. Finally, valuable data will be shared to data consumer for better life in Siheung Smart City. From this slide, I will tell you task 4 Data Hub platform more detail. Vision is construction of a user-friendly smart city ecosystem using Data Hub platform. And there are 3 targets of task 4 Data Hub platform. This slide is project deliverables. As we reviewing task 4 of core 3, there are 4 specific deliverables. Three of them are software solution, and the last one is lab space. Data hub platform is similar to data repository that have all kinds of city data. Marketplace is the same as a data trade online solution between buyer and seller. Digital twin is similar to data telescope for analyzing and forecasting of data. And City Lab is kind of a data business testing center for everyone. At this slide, I will tell you our deliverables in detail. At first, Data Hub platform. Data Hub platform was designed to collect, analyze, and sharing the whole city data. And Data Hub platform is not city event monitoring system, but city data monitoring system. Of course, Data Hub platform collects smart city data from city event monitoring platform. Next deliverable are data marketplace and user portal. Data marketplace is online market for data and data-driven business. Of course, data in data marketplace will be collected from Data Hub platform, or some data will be collected from data provider. So you can sell your own data, health data, credit data, moving route, and you can buy others' value of data in data marketplace. Or you can start your business model using user portal. User portal can give you some computing space for developing and testing your business system, like a mobile app. Next is digital twin. Digital twin is a 3D visualization and simulation solution. Have you ever remembered a famous computer game, SimCity? In some aspect, digital twin is similar to SimCity, except for digital twin usually build the virtual world based on real world. In our project, we plan to use the digital twin for observe the Siheung city data using simulation technique. Next is City Lab. City Lab is our data experiment space where everyone can visit and test his or her business model. In terms of smart city industry in Sibeung, startup or student can fully use City Lab for preparing their new business opportunity. And I hope everyone visit our City Lab and collaborate with others and analyze city data. City Lab has various room and function, from seminar room to server room. This is some picture of City Lab. Of course, you can use this creative City Lab freely. It's free. I think everyone who is interested is a very important user of City Lab because it is open for everyone. I believe this lab can play a very important role in Siheung Smart City project. So come here and do your study or business, and I will support as long as I can. In this slide, I will tell the demonstration scenario of this year. The goal of the demonstration is verifying the data circulation from data collection, data analysis to data sharing. For this goal, at first, lots of data will be inputted into Data Hub platform, and second, service demonstration will be implemented with public or private data in data marketplace and user portal. And last, success story of data-driven business model will be spread based on city lab. Last slide, consideration for Siheung Smart City project. Please read and review using presentation part. Thank you for your attention. That's all my presentation. If you have any question, please email me.